So I just realized that my other movie was cut off somewhere when I was talking about my nose not getting big and no big bags under my eyes. And so I think that that means that I'm supposed to have a girl because boys take away your beauty. So whatever that means. And seeing that Eileen had 2 boys and she remained beautiful throughout her pregnancy, that doesn't work in our family. So anyway, the most interesting was when I was able to pick up a 7-month-old boy, and one of my friends who's Cambodian said have him put his feet on the tummy. And if he puts both feet down, then he doesn't mind, then it's a boy because he doesn't mind stepping on a boy. But if he only puts 1 foot down, then that means it's a girl because he doesn't want to step on a girl. So of course he put 1 foot down, then he put the other foot down, and then took 1 foot off, and so who knows what that means. But we're just very happy to have the baby coming, and things have been going really well. We've had a nice little vacation, and now today we're officially 41 weeks, so about a week after the due date, and we just can't wait. So if the baby decides to still stay in, we'll be going for what we call an induction in about 3 or 4 days, and that'll make it right after Memorial Day, because that's what this weekend is coming up. Come on. Come on, Inga. Come on. Here. And Inga has been liking the baby, but I guess she doesn't want to jump on me right now. So that's that. Bye-bye.